It looks evil, and it is. Oh, check that out. It was all right to this point. It looked like it was going to be turned out to be a nice dry day. Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to another video on the channel, and this one is all about audax today. I'm Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Come stick around as I do the 200 delightful dales here in North Yorkshire. Before I go any further, it wasn't deliberate. Gone and forgot my leg warmers, so might be switching my arm warmers down there a little bit later on. Let's just see how it goes. Anyway, a quick look at the bike. I'm on the titanium today, the Sonda Calibri TI. My TCR bike, rain jacket neatly stored away in there just in case I need it, front light, exposure, Garmin, usual stuff, a couple of water bottles. I was thinking about just getting one actually because it's hilly around here. It's about 3,000 metres of climbing, but in the end I decided to go for the comfort of having two. So there we have it, that's my bike, and I fitted my mud guard on this morning as well just in case, because it's meant to be a bit of a rainy day today. This is the delightful Dales, a 200km audax in the pouring rain. Very delightful. It was all right to this point. It looked like it was going to turn out to be a nice dry day, and now unexpected stop at Dales Bike Centre. Just get them to look at the chain. I wonder if it's worn. I was struggling to get up to the big ring earlier, so that's probably about the 90k mark, I think. So I'm just heading towards along Park Rash. I think I'm going to be walking, to be honest. Although I cycled up here before, the elements and how I'm feeling right now, I just don't think I've got it in me today to get up there. It looks evil. And it is. Just in the wrong headspace today with the chain issue, but oh, check that out. So it's a quick stop in Leyburn. Want something to eat. Very starving.
Open me up.
I know. Well, enjoy the downhill, yeah?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's coming soon. Matt Guess have going for a bit of a firing range and make our way towards Reeth, and it's closer to that 100k mark. Hope this comes out on camera, because when I watch this back I'm like, there's no colour, but it's how it is up here. You really have to search for the colour in the landscape in the Yorkshire Dales, up here in the moors. You know, I'm getting really attached to this rain jacket now, I just don't want to take it off. And I did bring my kind of winter gilet with me, but since it started raining I've just kept this on. Oh, when is this going to end? Right, what have we got to go? Yeah, this is it. 9 metres to the top. That may well be Reeth down there. I'll pop a link in the corner of the screen to a video gravel riding last summer, when I hiked my bike all the way up there. Had the camera out for hours because been a bit down the middle third of this ride. Mine's just not in the right place. I've been down here before, and people have been bathing in the waters. A beautiful spot. So ride of two halves. So heading south from Kirby, Stephen, and as you can see, it is no longer misty. and rainy. Even the rain jacket has come off. Bit of a route update as well. In a second. Bit of information from the route as well. There's less than 80k to go. 3 categorised climbs out of 14. Yay! One of them I know by name. It's called Garsdale Head. That's going to be a tough one. The other two I'm not sure of. That's bothering me, look at that. Flappy flap flap. Pop that through there, there we are. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Paul Jennings of Saddle Sore. Bet you wish you were here. Look at that. Whoa. This is a beautiful return. Had lots of gushing water today from the rivers and streams, given the winter we've had everywhere. Hopefully there'll be some more exciting stuff on the way back. At the moment it's just more headwind, which is less exciting. You might be able to tell my mood is now picked up. I don't know if it was the breakfast wrap, the iron brew. It could be because I know the lion's share of this audax is now done. I changed my mindset for the second to last climb, Garsdale Head. Well, it's the top's called. It's Coal Road, I think. Nice to get up, and put foot down, just enjoying the view, which there is none. Look, right at the top, 534 metres of elevation. Woo. Yeah, it's a bit grim up here. Low mist and fog. Lucky it's not raining yet. We're just up in the highest peaks of the Yorkshire Dales now. Look at that. Pea soup! Hope you like pea soup. Yeah, surprisingly I've enjoyed the second half more than I did the first half. I don't know what's wrong with me anymore. But we all go through these moments that take you to these super remote locations. And I guess it's just been a while since I've gone to a super remote location. Right, gotta have to turn the light on the heads up display now. Go through the myriad of a million menus. There we are, stay on. Beautiful place. Bottom of Garsdale Head. That was a wicked descent. Disc brakes probably on fire though. I was very quite nervous on the way down that. Kind of a bit of chicanery at the bottom as well. I was a bit nervous. Back at the van. Right, over with. Got back about 25 minutes ago. 10 to 9. Got 40 minutes, well, 50 minutes to spare. Job's a good one. So I got a 2-hour journey home now, so I'm really looking forward to. So I'm going to be getting home 11:30, something like that. Right, before I just dump that in there. Right, yeah, here we are on the back of the van. It's a Sunday today though, so there's no sleeping in here involved. Got to get back home and get some sleep for work tomorrow. Really good route, really enjoyed it. Well, enjoyed the second half more than the first half. I know there's thousands of you watching this video who have not subscribed yet. So do me a favour, hit that subscribe button and I won't let you down on the next video. And just around the corner we've got the Grand Guananchi, that ultra race around the Canary Islands as well, so you don't want to miss that one. 2 weeks away, fantastic. It will probably be a bit short by the time this video comes out, but just looking forward to getting away from the UK and soaking up some sun. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye. One of the benefits of van life, makes off brew.